Welcome. If you want to enable sharing your Instagram stories and messages directly from your PC, you're in the right place. With Instagram's latest update, you can now manage this setting easily from your browser, making it more convenient than ever to control how your stories are shared. Let's walk through the steps together so you can start sharing your stories and messages on Instagram from your computer. First, open your favorite web browser and go to Instagram.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see several icons, but you want to click on the one labeled More. This icon usually appears as 3 horizontal lines or a small menu symbol. After clicking More, a new list of options will pop up. From this list, select Settings. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage all your privacy and sharing preferences. Next, find and click on the Sharing section within the Settings menu. This is where you control how your content is shared both on and off Instagram. Inside the Sharing menu, look for the option that says Stories and Messages. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch or click the button so that it turns on. Once enabled, your followers will be able to share your stories directly in their Instagram messages, making it easier for your content to reach more people. And that's it. You've now enabled story sharing and messages from your PC. This new update gives you more flexibility and control, especially if you prefer managing your Instagram account from your desktop. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who use Instagram on their computers. Stay tuned for more tips and updates on the latest Instagram features.